You must refer the official documentation and see what are the commands and steps to install OCI CLI. Let me hit enter. Well, from the output it seems that the package Oracle Linux Developer Release EL8 is already up to date. Let me go ahead and install the OCI CLI. The command is sudo dnf install python 36-oci-cli. Let me hit enter. Well, it's asking me to go ahead with the installation. Let me say yes and hit enter. And it's installing the OCI CLI on my local machine. Well, the installation is complete. Let me check if the OCI CLI is installed. Let us run the OCI-v command. As you can see, the OCI CLI version 3.2 is installed on my machine. Let me clear the screen. And like I mentioned, you can refer the official documentation, which is this. And this is a quick start guide that lets you quickly install and configure OCI CLI on different environments like Oracle Linux machines or Mac OS, Windows, Linux and Unix environments. You can search within the Oracle documentation by going to the docs.oracle.com website. And there you just simply have to search for installing the CLI, or you can search for OCI CLI and it will guide you to this particular page. Let's head back to our local terminal. Now that we have installed the OCI CLI, the next step is to configure it. The command to configure OCI CLI is OCI setup config. Let me run the OCI setup config command to configure the OCI CLI. Let's hit enter. Now it's asking me to enter a location for the config file. I'll use the default location and I'll hit enter. Now the next thing that it is asking me for is the user OSIT. Let's go to our OCI console and copy the user OSIT and paste it over here. In order to find your user OSIT, you have to click on the profile menu, go to my profile. Under your profile information page, simply copy the OSIT. Let me copy my OSIT. And let's head back to the local terminal. Let me paste the OSIT here. Let's hit enter. Now it's asking to enter tenancy OSIT. Let's head back to the console and copy the tenancy OSIT. You can find the tenancy OSIT in your profile page. Go to your tenancy. This opens up the tenancy details page. And from the tenancy information tab, you can simply click on copy OSIT and let's go back to the local terminal and paste it here. Let's hit enter.